Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your Apple ID banner at the top. This is where your device name and iCloud identity live. Make sure you are signed in and connected to Wi-Fi because changes sync across devices. Once done, consider a quick iCloud backup so you can revert if needed. Now tap the first line showing your name and scroll to locate the device list. This gets you to the editable name field without extra navigation. You now find your iPhone under Devices and tap its entry to view details. This is where the current device name appears. Tap the name field and choose Edit or Rename, then type the new name you want to show in AirDrop, iCloud, and network listings. Make sure the name is concise and unique so other devices can identify it easily. Once entered, tap Done or Save. The change propagates to linked Apple services shortly after. You finish by verifying the change in Settings, General, About. Your new device name should display there and in iCloud. If you don't see it right away, restart the iPhone to force the system to refresh network and iCloud caches. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to trigger a full sync. Only do that if you know your password. This sequence resolves most sync-related issues without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.